What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Moto AK47 here. On today's video, we got some truck content for you guys. Haven't done a lot of truck stuff in the past, but spring and summertime is getting close and starting to do some stuff, some landscaping stuff with the truck. So I gotta make some videos for you guys with the truck. We got truck stuff on this channel as well. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Got a lot of stuff on this channel. One thing I did get from a subscriber recently is that he suggested to me to make all of my landscaping videos all onto one channel. If that's something you guys want me to do, please let me know in the comments below. If you want to see all my landscaping stuff just in one YouTube channel, I have all of my landscaping stuff currently on this channel, which is why it's all categorized into one playlist. But if you guys are interested in me creating another channel just solely for landscaping stuff, please let me know in the comments below. I'm eager to hear you guys' feedback on that. And if it just so happens that all of you guys want that, I'll create another landscaping channel and just have landscaping stuff on that channel specifically and leave everything else on this channel. But today's video is on the Dodge Ram pickup truck that I have. This is the vehicle that I do my landscaping with. It's a 01 Dodge Ram, and I know you're surprised right now. You don't see a bunch of rust for my Dodge Ram guys on this particular model of truck. You usually see a bunch of holes and rust and stuff like that on my or on this type of truck. But on mine, I always undercoat my trucks. I always keep the maintenance up of the undercoatings. Truck is actually obviously dirty right now, but this truck looks absolutely great. There is a very, very, very little rust on this truck, very, very little, because I take care of it and I maintain it and I wash it. But the dirtiest thing on this truck right now is this right here. Just got out of winter time, excuse me, and we have a completely dirty, filthy Spectre air filter. So that needs to be changed. This is something you guys should be changing just as often as you change your oil, especially right after winter time, when all that salt dust and debris and just winter weather and all of its bringings come into your air filter so that it doesn't get into your vehicle. All right, so this is the nasty stuff that you don't want inside your engine bay, because as long as your engine bay and your engine inside your engine stays nice and clean, the longer your vehicles will run and last for you. So this is a must change every single time winter ends and you get into springtime and summertime. So we're going to go from this nasty dirty air filter to this nice brand new clean Spectre air filter. So here are the things that you guys will need for the job to install this. I currently obviously have a air intake on my Dodge Ram pickup truck, so this is very, very easy. I just need to take off that clip right there. As you can see, it is a flathead, but for some of you other guys, you can just use a household screwdriver. This is a very easy install. If you do not have an air intake, you probably won't need any tools at all, because your factory boxes are made to be able to take off without using tools. Some of them do require you use a screwdriver, some don't. Most of them are just clips, and you just pull your filter out and put the brand new, place that one in, and then close your clips back over the locks, excuse me. But for me, I need a screwdriver for my jobs. To make this quicker, I usually use my ratcheting screwdriver just to quickly get these bolts off and unscrew these clamps, just loosen them up. But the nice thing about these Spectre air filters is that they come pre-oiled and they are ready to go. All you have to do is install it. They also come with rubber fitments, so just in case you have a 2.5 inch or 3 inch kind of air intake tube like I have on mine, this is a 3 inch tube, air intake tube, so I don't need any of these spacers that are on here. So I am simply going to take them out when I'm ready to install this, and I will bring you guys up here to show you guys the install. Hopefully I can sit you guys right here and wind not be too much of a factor, but we're gonna go ahead and knock this out, guys. This is probably a I want to say 45-second job. Shouldn't take you long at all, especially if you have an air intake and just have a clip on there. Easy peasy job. First grader can do this, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and quit talking now and get to this install. I'll show you guys how easy it is to install this. Alrighty guys, we are ready to get our new filter installed here, but first we have to take out our old filter. So very simple to do. I just have my ratcheting screwdriver right here. I'm just gonna back this out and pull this old filter off. So undoing the band clamp right here now. Once it's loose, it'll kind of fall and dangle. All right. Our dirty air filter is coming off. Look at all that brown and black inside there. Nasty, nasty, nasty. And just wanted to show you guys again, I don't have any band clamp, excuse me. I don't have any rubber inserts in here to shorten up my distance. I have a 3-inch pipe right here, so all of my inserts came out. So I'll show you guys those again. So here's our new filter. This bigger insert was here, and then the smaller one was here for I'm pretty sure it's 2-inch intake, and I'm pretty sure this is a 2.5. But then we go to our outer one, which is 3-inch, which is no insert at all. For quick suggestion, probably want to snug up your band clamp onto whichever one you use, just so that when you go to put it on, it doesn't fall and slide off on you, because that gets a little annoying sometimes. But we're going to go ahead and install our brand new filter here. I tend to always like putting my logos up at the top, so that's where I'm positioning my band clamp as well, so it's easy to access, just like I had with my old one. So a trick to show you guys is I usually put a little WD-40 or something kind of slippery on the outsides of my, or excuse me, on the inner parts of anything I go to slide on, like hoses and stuff like that. It will not damage your engine or anything like that. It's safe to use, but I just do that just so I can get a nice easy slide on to my connections. So I'm gonna do that here. All right guys, it looks like we are on, so I'm just gonna back this band clamp out just a little bit to make sure that I'm seated all the way onto my intake tube, and that looks about good right there. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten this bad boy up now. Again, position your band clamp so that it's easy to get to, so that when you go to change this again, you don't have to struggle getting it off. So now we are tight, and there you have it guys. We have our new Spectre air filter installed and ready to go and give our truck some more life. This will help you guys' vehicles with breathing. This will help maybe give you a little bit more acceleration, and you may be able to feel this in your gas pedal when you go to step on your gas to accelerate down a highway or down the street, taking off from leaving your driveway at home. So this is a very important thing to do guys. Just as much as you change your oil, you definitely need to change your air filters as well. They are a maintenance thing. You must do this. You may feel you have some problems going on with your engine, maybe idling a little bit different, something that you want to check along with the rest of the things you check on your vehicle daily or weekly or monthly at least. This is a big one right here. Change those air filters guys. So that's it guys, just want to thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.